What's going on? It's your boy Rico, and I'm back with another video. Today, I'm gonna tell y'all if this whole SpininCash thing is just a spin or is it legit. So that's enough of me talking. If you like my content, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. That would mean the world. That's enough of me talking. Let's get it. All right, so I'm doing me, browsing social media on a Friday night, doing what I do, and I start seeing a whole bunch of people just, hit my SpininCash link, hit my SpininCash link, join and earn this, join and earn that. So, I said that's right up my alley. Let me go check it out. So the question is SpininCash a scam? I'm not gonna call it a scam, but what I am gonna call it is a bunch of cap. And if you've been watching me long enough, you know exactly what cap means. Cap means lies, fabricated. So their whole pitch, let me tell you their pitch. Their whole pitch is you share a link and you earn $2 to $15 for every person that clicks it. Come on now, that's too easy. That's before I even dug deeper on that. I was like, no, red flag, because another constant theme on this channel is what there are no easy ways to make money online, especially. So that was a red flag for me. I'm not gonna put this on them, but when I Googled that name, it was linked to Cash App fraud. Now, I'm not saying that's what the site is doing, because I'm gonna take y'all through some reviews, and some people say 21% of the people say that, oh, it is legit, but the other pretty much 80% say no, it's not legit. But I'll show you that later. But basically, if making money was that easy, or if somebody had enough money to just pay out that, then why not just go give it away? Because that's honestly what you would be doing. So I went ahead and I made me an account, and it gave me a link, and it says share this link to earn $2 for every person that clicks on it, earn an additional 15 when they sign up. They want you to make a YouTube video. They give you payout methods. You get $80 for video submissions. Oh, so they just playing, folks. Ooh. Cash out your earnings. Let me hit on that. Oh, and it's got little updates at the bottom, like like those Shopify plugins, if you've ever seen them, where people are buying from sites. Yeah, no, it's saying it's paying people out, but it's not. I guess it's giving you a payout threshold of $50. And all the payment methods, it's Venmo, Cash App, which is sketchy. All those different types of places. So this is probably what they're doing, and I'm not saying this definitively. I'm just saying this is my guess. You sign up to their account, right? They get your email, your password. They somehow get your Cash App, and then that's probably where the fraud begins. So once again, I'm not calling them a scam because I don't have the power to do that. But I'm gonna throw up here on the screen the reviews. The reviews. Let me take you. And I'm gonna put this up on the screen. Like I said, I haven't got my money today. It is due. Can someone help me receive my payments? Do not know about others, but I got paid. That looks like bad English and paid. Review. Still haven't received my payment. Scam. Surely not. Best user interface site. Complete scam. Big scam. Sorry guys. Complete scam. Complete scam. So I might do how many times I said the word scam in this video, but I'm not saying SpininCash is a scam, but it's definitely a bunch of caps. So if y'all try it out, let me know if it's a scam or not in the comments. But my vote here at Rico Copeland's channel, my vote is scam. So be careful with y'all information, man. I don't like to see y'all go out like that. It was real. I just wanted to do this quick and easy. So once again, if y'all like my content, don't hesitate to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm out. Let's get it.